Hello everyone. In this episode, we are going to learn to create marketing videos using digital person who are not your own.
Once it's generated, it means that I have a digital version of Einstein in my assets. Of course, our ultimate goal is not just to create a digital persona. Ultimately, I want to use this digital persona, this avatar, to help me with tasks like marketing promotions. Let's make an assumption. It could be a young car salesman, but I hope to have the experience and skills of a seasoned salesperson with 2 or 3 years of experience, or the sales pitch they possess, to sell the car. I would directly copy this content to ChatGPT and have it write a script for me that reflects the sales pitch of a car sales representative with 2 to 3 years of experience. Okay, I will copy it down now. Then I click search to give it the ability for deep thinking, which enhances its reasoning ability, making its output more persuasive and likely to touch people's hearts. This content is basically written in the language that an experienced salesperson should speak, so I can just copy it in. I've prepared this script, so what is it used for at this point? It needs to be combined with it to create a final product, an Einstein capable of speaking the language of car marketing. All right, let's take a look together. Back here, there is a home. In home, we choose the third one to create a video. Click it. Okay, now we're in. You'll notice that once inside, the default digital person is not our digital person. Click and select Replace Avatar. Hey, you need to select the digital Einstein you created. Click on it. All right, it has been recognized, and then click again to replace it. You see, it simultaneously brings over Einstein's image along with the new voice tone we just selected. The next step, here we simply copy over the script that GPT generated for us just a little bit more earlier. All right, after copying it over, we can do a quick preview. Click here and we can listen to it in advance.
Hi, Sean. I'm Einstein from Benz. I saw you've been exploring S600. You've done your homework. What matters most to you to...
Okay, you might notice that when you click play, it indeed reads the text here, right? But its image doesn't move, indeed. This is currently possibly because the digital human consumes too much computing power, so during the preview, its lip movements don't sync with the speech. If you want to see the final result, just click Generate in the top right corner to let it produce it directly. Okay, I will also give this work generated for you a name. Okay, keep everything the same. 1080p is fine. A bit higher. Submit. Now, the process begins to bring together the text, the image, and the tone of the language. The text conveys the main message, the image supports understanding and engagement, and the tone sets the mood and emotional response. These elements are combined to create a unified and effective communication. Let's see how the final generated effect looks. Okay, when this symbol appears, it means it has been generated. Let's take a look at the effect together. All right, it has finished loading here. So let's listen to the synthesized effect together.
Hi, Sean. I'm Einstein from Benz. I saw you've been exploring the S600. You've done your homework. What matters most to you today? Picture your next S600. A weekend family road trip with everyone's gear fitting neatly in the hatch, cruising at 32 mpg, thanks to EcoDrive tech, and arriving safely under a suite of active braking and lane keep systems.
All right, we won't listen to the whole thing. How does everyone feel about this effect? I think the synthesis is already very, very perfect. So up to this point, we have completed generating a digital human from a single photo of a person. That's the end of this feature explanation.
Okay, that's all for this episode. And the next one will be even more exciting. To learn more about AI usage tips, please visit ctrlvai.com. Thank you.